how to make banana fritters using ripe Burro bananas. You want it to be nice and soft and black. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You're going to peel your Burro bananas, the ripe Burro bananas, then you're going to dice it, and then you're going to crush it up. Next step, you're going to pour in your white spelt flour or whole grain spelt flour. You're going to use about a cup of this. All right, then. You got your spelt flour. You add a little bit of the Ceylon cinnamon. Then you add a little of the sea salt. Hold on. I'm using one hand. Be careful. I gotta be careful. And you mix all of it together. Then you add a little bit of the water. Some spring water that is, right? Add a little bit of water and mix. Mix, mix, mix. Want it to be a little bit more thicker than pancake, a little bit more thicker. Right? Yes, look good. Then you add a little bit of the water. Some spring water that is, right? Add a little bit of water and mix. Mix, mix, mix. Want it to be a little bit more thicker than pancake, a little bit more thicker. Right? Yes, look good. Alright, good. When you mix it like so, this is how you want the batter to be. Alright. We cook it. Guys, after you're done, you could drizzle a little bit of agave on there, tea, and